It's a wet and rainy day in Springland. Where is everybody? Morning, ducks. There's Honk the car. Poor Honk. It's no fun waiting and waiting for the rain to stop. There's Woofy the dog. Honk hopes Woofy doesn't